After watching this video, you will know how to become expert in programming or coding with 100% guarantees. So watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, I am not a teacher, I am not a professor, I am not anyone who can teach you a programming, but I am a student of a computer science which is passionate about the programming, coding and all those stuff, and this video is totally based on my experiences, how I become an expert in programming language, how I learned the code, how I learned the programming language, and I will provide you a proper guide in this video how to become expert in programming language, how to build your logical thinking in programming, how to develop a problem solving skill, and how to become expert in problem solving skills. So guys, watch this video till the end and you will be learning a lot of things from this video, and let's get started. So firstly, if you are a 10th student, if you are a 12th student, if you are doing job, if you in your college, that's not matter in a programming. You can learn programming if you know the correct path to learn the programming. Watch this video till the end, and in this video I will discuss with you the whole path how you become an expert in a programming language. Okay. So guys, if whenever we get admitted in a college, okay, as a computer science student, when I got admitted in college, okay, in the first semester, in the first year, what we know about the programming, if we know the C++, there are some subjects, okay, like C++ language, basic languages. When we know the C++ language, C language and Java language, I think I'm a become expert and I can do anything in programming, but that's not the case guys, because with programming you can't do anything. Okay, so I will provide you 3 steps how you become expert in programming. Okay, in the first step, okay, so guys, without doing any kind of time pass, you have to select any one of the programming language. You can select Java, C++ or Python, because base of the whole programming language is in C++, Java or Python. These are the older programming language and the basic and best programming language to learn as a beginner, or if you want to improve your programming language skill, then firstly you have to learn C++ or Java programming language. Okay, why C++, Java or Python? Because these programming language are the basics and these are the object oriented programming language that you can relate these programming language to the real world situations that you have to choose. That's why you have to choose any one of the programming language. Okay, if you select the C++ language, suppose, then you have to learn the basic things, how to code in C++, what is syntaxes, how to print the program if you are a beginner. Okay, how you can learn these things. If you visit the YouTube, then there are lots of tutorial available there. If you do not want to watch the videos, then you can visit the internet like Tutorial Point or Geeks for Geeks. Okay, there are lots of tutorial available there in the blogs forms. Okay, you can read it and learn the basic. It will take 2 to 3 months if you are a beginner, and if you know already any one programming language, then it will take to 1 month to learn the basics of these all programming languages. Okay, once you learn these programming language, okay, it's not the case you will become an expert in programming language. समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो? Okay, if you want to build any kind of software, then you need the algorithm, data structure and logical thinking. Okay, programming is the basic thing. Okay, in this second step, what you have to do, learn data structure and algorithm. Okay, learn data structure and algorithm, and in data structure and algorithm, what you have to do, firstly, implementation. Okay, implement all data structure and all algorithm, try to implement in your choosable programming language. Okay, implement all those things. Once you able to implement the all data structure and algorithm in C++ or Java or any programming language, then what you have to do, then think about the logical thinking. Then what you have to do for that, visit any competitive programming website like Codeforces, HackerRank. There are lots of websites, but if you do not want to confuse in the competitive programming websites, then I suggest you choose the HackerRank website, because this website is the beginner friendly website, and that will provide you all things that you need to improve your problem solving skill. Okay, so there are lots of data structure and algorithm. You do not have to confuse in them. Okay, visit HackerRank website and solve the basic level to the intermediate level all the problems on the HackerRank. Okay, HackerRank is the beginner friendly website, and this is the best website to improve your programming or problem solving skill. Okay, solve basic to intermediate level problem. It will take at least you have to solve the 6 months. Okay, you have to practice 6 months for the problem solving skill, because it's simply a little bit tough, but if you once you able to think in a programming, then you can build any kind of software, you can build any kind of algorithm. Okay, you have to solve 6 months for the problem solving skill. Okay, once you are able to solve the intermediate level problem, then you have to move to the third step. And what is the third step? Third step, you have to build the project. Okay, it's all guys because you learn the programming, you learn the problem solving, you learn data structure and algorithm, but what is the use of that if you not implement those kind of things in the project? Then how you will learn the what is the actual use of programming? It's not the use of programming to solve the lots of problem and crack the interviews. You have to understand what is the actual use of programming language. Use of programming language to solve the human life problem, by using technology. Okay, that is the use of programming languages. So you have to build the project, build website, build apps, build ML project, build blockchain project, and build all kind of project that you are interested in. What I was done when at the time of a building project, I built some apps, I built some website, I built some JavaScript project like that, and that's how I learned the what is the actual use of programming. Okay, there are the lots of things we don't know about the programming, and if you once build the project, then you understand the what is actual use in real life of programming languages. Okay, and that's how you will love the programming languages. When I was started the programming, I hated the programming. I think what is all those stuff, why we have to do the factorial program, addition program. Okay, so then I realized what is the actual programming languages used in a real life when I build the projects. Okay, and that's how I learn right now the programming languages, coding, and I am passionate and excited about the coding, programming, building apps, website, and the projects. Okay, that's how you will also love and become an expert in programming if you follow these steps and this path. Okay,
समझ रहे हो?
so that is whole my experience. This video is totally based on my experience, guys. If you want to learn actually and understand actually what is the use of programming, then you have to follow this path. Okay, so that's it, and wrap up here, guys. If you like this video, guys, then press the like button for this video, and if you want to more exciting videos like this, then subscribe to this channel, subscribe this channel. Okay, and thank you for watching video. Bye bye, take care, guys. मिलते हैं in next video में.